Okay, first we have to say, can we give another hand to Happy Hans? You guys are awesome, as always. You guys all out the floor many times, so thank you very much for that. Another great memory for us all. So we do have a special announcement to make. It's the kind of thing that a host organization loves to have this kind of news come out. I'm going to have Fritz help me with this announcement, but we definitely want to make sure we celebrate this. So I'm going to hand it over to Fritz.
So the Bezirk has received an application for membership from a new club. And the steering committee met and deliberated for a very long time concerning the merits, the positives, and the negatives, and we had a vote. It was very close, and it was unanimous. So please say welcome to the Tyrolean Dancers of Oregon, back in the right corner there.
Before this group yet, definitely this is your chance to go meet them. Okay, so we're going to get started on the presentation of awards here. This is the last kind of formal part of the night, and then we'll be moving on to a post party, which is great. Some of you may have realized last night that Kathy is very good at getting people to leave the building. That's going to happen again tonight. We have to be out by midnight, 11:30. Yeah, so you'll start getting the push at some point. So this is actually the most exciting time of the night as well. I'm going to have two people helping me here. Fritz is going to go through some special medals that he's created. I don't know if you guys have seen these medals before, but they're actually 3D printed. They're awesome. Created by Mr. Fritz. And these are some special medals that he's done for the judges and the musicians. So I'm going to hand it over to him.
All right, we'd like to get the following musicians to come up and receive their musician pins. Christian Regenfuss, Marcus Geisler, Chris Barnes, who all performed this year. In the past, we've had Tony Turnus has played, I believe. So you all qualify for a musician pin, so they can look at you and look at your hat and know that you can play a plattler.
Tony. Tony.
Where's Tony?
Tony! Tony! You get one! Stop that! Put your hat up.
And then we also have to add Fritz to those pins. So.
For the Richter, we have a considerably larger list of people who need to come out, so please listen. This consists of what we think is the list of Richters who have judged not only at this Bezirksfest, but in the past. So be ready to come up and get your pin. Johann Force, Sue Nesda, Erica Hoover, Tom Bolden. You're not coming up. I don't see anyone coming up. Okay. Tom Bolden, Teresa Bolden, Sean Schmidt, I hope I said the last name right, Brenda Nowak, Ranelle Resch, Tony Ward, and some of our guest judges in the past, Rudy Leshka, Mark LaCourse. You will all, from now on, be stigmatized by a pin on your hat that says that you were a judge.
Yes, I'm positive.
Okay.
Over here.
introducing two judges. Ingeborg Carpenter, and who else? Adam Gunsler. I'm sorry, I did not have her on the list. Come up and get your pins. I apologize. Sorry, we can take the picture again.
Said we are indebted to Fritz for making all the medals and everything, but Roger has long said the musicians need to have a pin, and Fritz was the kindest person to also say, hey, we should have pins for the Richter, and we should have pins for the musicians, and he made them. So we are indebted to Fritz, and thank you to all of our participants.
So now come the awards for the Schuhplattlers. And we'll start with the youngest participants first. So, and we go boys first and then the girls. So, Kinder classification is age 6 to 9. First place goes to Willie Sheffer. The next age group we have is boys 10 to 15. First place goes to Dominic Reedman. So in the next age group, 16 to 34 years old, we have a few more participants, so there's a few more awards. Third place goes to Adam Herrick. Second place goes to Fred Brower. First place, Christian Mulligan. Next age group is boys or guys, men now, no more boys, men, 35 to 49. Third place goes to Florian Gahn. Second place goes to Fred Volland. First place, Fritz Scheffler. artist out there. The next age group is men 50 to 59. Third place, Jim Pallwitz. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a mistake. Hang on. Third place, Alan Lincoln. My mistake. I apologize. Yeah, that's kind of the Oscars. Second place, Jim Pallwitz. First place, Graupensperger. So here comes, I don't want to say the old guys, but they are. 60 and above. Second place, John Lofgren. I didn't call this guy's name yet, I don't know what his business is, but first place, I can read that. Roger Mowery. You know, guys, I have to say, you have to hand it to these guys. They're over 60 and they're still plucking first class, so give it an extra round of applause. So now we come to the gals. On a personal note, I have to say, if I would have to do what you guys do or what you girls are doing, you would have to visit me in the hospital after every dance. I get motion sick so quick, it's so easy. So the spinning thing is not my thing, so I really admire you for that. Unfortunately, we didn't have any younger girls, so we start with age group 16 through 34. Well, not the little ones, you know, like the, what did you have, 6 to 9? Unfortunately, none of those, but hopefully maybe next year. So, third place in the age group 16 to 34, Mara Nelson. Second place, Mary Lee Williams. First place, Stephanie Williams. for the ladies is 35 through 49. Second place, Annette Geisler. And first place, Tanya McDouall. The next age group is 50 to 59 years old. Second place, Lila Walridge. First place, where is she? Martina Baum. The final age group for the ladies, 60 and above. Second place goes to Ranelle, Resch. Ranelle, stay right here, please. First place goes to, there she is, Kathy Bruni. So for those who participated and unfortunately didn't get a medal, you still did an awesome job. While I was sitting up there announcing the dances, I have to say I enjoyed every single performance. So there are packets for you with the judges' sheets. Please come and pick them up. And hopefully next year, you are one who gets the little medal. So that concludes the medal awards for the Pallwitz, and I guess more or less the official part of this event today. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming out. Thank you to all the clubs who traveled from long distance and short distance and came to join us for this wonderful and fun event. And I look forward to the next event next year. So thank you very much for coming. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Okay, so for those of you looking at your programs, you know what time it is. You can tell me what time it is.
Board meeting time.
Massenplattler. Come on. It is time for the Massenplattler. Let's get some folks out on the floor. Chris is going to start